animals everywhere. Vulture, tiger roars so big and strong. Our lion joins his mane so long. A elephant walks with a stomp, stomp, stomp. And a giraffe stands tall with a big head pop. The zebra runs with stripes so neat. Rhino stomps with heavy feet. Cheetah races super fast. Crocodile swims, watch out, don't splash. Kangaroo hops so bouncy and high. Koala naps up in the sky. Bear is big, he loves some honey. Panda eats bamboo, yummy, yummy. Wolf goes out woo in the night. Fox runs quick out of sight. Raccoon with tiny paws. Hedgehog rolls like a ball, of course. Squirrel jumps from tree to tree. Wild boar digs in the mud, wee! Bison runs on the grassy land. Deer walks by, oh so grand. Mammoth from long ago. Sloth moves really slow. Skunk says, "You stay away." Badger digs and loves to play. Beaver builds a house so wide. Hare jumps with a happy stride. Moose with antlers big and bold. Hippo loves the water's cold. Monkey swings from tree to tree. Orangutan grins at me. Ow! The snake slithers, wiggle, wiggle. Parrot laughs with a little giggle. Eagle soars high in the sky. Owl says hoot as it flies by. An owl howls in the dark. Leopard runs through the park. Llama with its furry coat. Baby elephant loves to gloat. Alligator grins so wide. Shark swims with the tide. Warthog runs in a zigzag way. Peacock dances bright all day. Hornbill with a colorful beak. Ocelot plays hide and seek. Antelope jumps so high. Giraffe waves along goodbye. Wild animals big and small. In the jungle hear them call.